Number 1. The 1966 Ford Thunderbird, priced at $7,000. Equipped with a 428 cubic inch engine and automatic transmission, this vehicle features a perfect condition red interior and modern amenities such as power windows, power locks, and a power seat. It has a front airbag installed and a rear airbag that needs installation. The air suspension system includes an air tank, 2 new air compressors, and remote control, but requires the installation of 8 valves for testing. The tires and wheels are 2 years old but have never been used, and the white Lando top remains in good condition without any tears. Offered with a ready pink slip, the car runs well but requires some assembly before being fully operational. Number 2. The 1964 Chevrolet Impala, priced at $14,000. This 4-door model has a clean, solid body with no rust. The paint is in excellent condition and has been stored indoors. It has appeared in TV shows such as Gaslit, Sympathizer, and SWAT. Powered by a stock 350 engine with power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning, it runs well and is ready to drive. The interior is in good condition, offering immediate comfort with no major renovations needed. With clean California ownership documents, this car presents a unique opportunity for classic Impala enthusiasts at a more affordable price than the 2-door models. Sold as is without a smog certificate, potential buyers are encouraged to ask questions before purchasing. Ideal for both a classic cruiser and a light restoration project. Number 3. The 1957 Pontiac Chieftain, priced at $17,000. This heavily modified vehicle was originally a 4-door hardtop, but has been converted into a 2-door hardtop with seamless stainless steel moldings. It features a 350 engine, 700R transmission, headers, new fuel lines, front disc brakes, Flowmaster exhaust, and a 3.5-inch lowered suspension all around. Updates include a repainted roof, new side trim, and pinstriping. The interior is well maintained with clean door panels and seats, though the headliner needs replacement. Minor rust bubbling is present on the lower rear doors and the right side, but is not overly noticeable. Designed as a fun cruiser rather than a show car, it is currently registered with yellow plates and has clean documentation. Number 4. The 1968 Pontiac Firebird 400, priced at $18,000. This matching numbers car retains its factory original engine, which runs perfectly. However, the interior is currently disassembled as the previous owner was replacing part of the floor pan. Some unfinished work includes reinstalling the exhaust and fuel lines removed for floor access. There are signs of rust underneath, and the exterior paint is peeling, particularly on the front and rear hoods, indicating the need for further restoration. Featuring a 4-barrel V8 engine, hood scoop, turbo-hydromatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, and special interior trim. It also comes with a Cordova top, Rally 2 wheels, and other options that enhance its classic appeal, despite needing work to restore it fully. Number 5. The 1970 GMC C25, priced at $7,000. This custom camper model features a 350 V8 engine, turbo-hydromatic automatic transmission, and power steering. It reportedly starts easily and runs with good power and oil pressure. All electronics and gauges function, including headlights, brake lights, turn signals, and cargo cabin lights. However, the radio tape player is missing its front. New Cooper. Tires are mounted on powder-coated steel rims. The exterior has been repainted in GMC medium green, with minor scratches and dents but no significant rust. The interior remains appealing with matching seats and door panels. Comes with complete paperwork and original California black plates, though additional maintenance is required. Ideal for classic truck enthusiasts seeking a unique vehicle. Number 6. The 1967 Buick Electra 225, priced at $14,000. Well preserved in its original state, this car was a one-owner garage find stored since 1985 and recently revived. With just 36,000 original miles, it retains a rust-free, crack-free, and intact exterior and interior. The dashboard, buttons, and trim are showroom quality. Original features include tilt power steering, cruise control, power windows and seats, air conditioning, and a power antenna. Its 430 V8 360 HP engine with a 4-barrel carburetor has been reconditioned with a new radiator, fuel pump, water pump, and various other mechanical components. It also has 4 new tires and a fully restored brake system. With only minor scratches, this car is almost like new, making it a remarkable classic example. Number 7. The 1966 Chevrolet Biscayne, priced at $16,000. A 4-door post sedan powered by a 283 V8 engine with a 3-speed 3-on-the-tree manual transmission, this car shows 59,000 original miles. It is clean and well-maintained, with several new components including seat upholstery, carpet, headliner, and fresh paint. Equipped with 14-inch American racing wheels, front power disc brakes, and power steering, it offers enhanced driving comfort. The blue paint is smooth, and the interior features a striking blue and white color combination. Located in Las Vegas and registered in California, this car is ready to drive and reasonably priced. Perfect for collectors or classic car enthusiasts who appreciate originality with modern upgrades. Number 8. The 1963 Pontiac Le Mans, priced at $16,000. Powered by its original 326 V8 engine with an automatic transmission and power steering, this car offers a comfortable driving experience. The interior features classic bucket seats and new carpeting, giving a fresh and clean appearance. The exterior showcases impressive paintwork, highlighting detailed care. T3 headlights maintain originality, while the rear design exudes iconic lines. The trunk is neatly finished with clean lining. It also comes with the original owner's manual and protective plate, adding historical value. This vehicle is ideal for collectors or classic car enthusiasts who value authenticity and attention to detail. Number 9. The 1975 Chevrolet Camaro, priced at $16,000. This car has undergone extensive modifications and restoration, featuring a rebuilt 5.7-liter engine paired with a 700 R4 transmission and a 10-bolt Posey 3.73 rear differential. Ceramic-coated hooker headers boost performance. The interior boasts a new dashboard, NVU gauges, and modern bucket seats. New components include a pipes exhaust system, brake booster, master cylinder, rotors, 10.4mm spark plug wires, distributor, aluminum radiator, electric fan, and battery. The braking system has new lines and components. With a rust-free body, updated plates, insurance, and a clear title, this car requires no smog check and remains in excellent condition inside and out. Number 10. The 1965 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu, priced at $15,000. Modified as a fun and powerful beach cruiser, this car is in good condition with solid floors and rockers. All chrome and stainless trim are intact, though there is some rust on the hood and around the rear window. The clear coat on the roof shows minor peeling. Equipped with a GM 350ci crate engine producing 290 HP, a Holly Street Avenger carburetor, aluminum radiator, electric fan, and a 2.5-inch Flowmaster exhaust. The rebuilt TH350 automatic transmission includes a low-car floor shifter, CPP power disc brakes, and adjustable coil-over front suspension enhance performance. The 16-inch rally wheels with slim trim rings complement its classic look. The interior features custom blue seats with vintage materials and a modern wireless audio system. The car is officially titled and ready for serious offers. Number 11. The 1963 Mercury Comet S22, priced at $14,000. This fully restored unit comes with a professionally rebuilt 260 V8 engine with a 2-barrel carburetor and minimal mileage since the rebuild. Its transmission has been upgraded from a 2-speed Ford-O-Matic to a 3-speed with a transmission cooler from a Ford Mustang. The cooling system features a high-performance 3-row aluminum radiator, high-output fan, 12-volt alternator conversion, and electronic ignition. The original body and paint have been wet sanded and polished, while the interior has been completely refreshed with new carpet and seats. The brakes, suspension, and tires have all been replaced. Rare features like power steering have been retained, although the steering wheel remains a 17-inch unit. Some tasks still need attention, including painting the right front fender, trim installation, and convertible top frame finishing. Number 12. The 1965 Pontiac Tempest Custom, priced at $18,000. Originally equipped with a 326 engine, it now features a rebuilt 400 engine and a reconditioned transmission. It has a new exhaust system, convertible top, seats, door panels, and weather stripping. The bumpers and mirrors have been replaced, and an aftermarket floor shifter has been installed. Previous owners repainted the car and replaced the floor, trunk, and quarter panels. The brakes have been upgraded to power drums. Minor repairs remain, such as a non-functioning turn signal switch and weather stripping adjustments. Despite these, the car runs well with a powerful engine and nearly new tires. This well-maintained vehicle is being sold as the owner has 3 other convertibles from the same year. Number 13. The 1976 Cadillac Coupe de Ville, priced at $5,500. Equipped with an 8.2-liter 500 CI V8 engine, the suspension has been lowered by 3 inches while retaining original coil springs. Recent repairs include a new water pump and tires with only 50,000 miles. It has a Kenwood Bluetooth radio installed in the glove box. The carburetor system needs attention, making it difficult to start when cold, but running well when warm. The exhaust system after the catalytic converter also requires repair. Some localized rust spots are present. Located in Lachute, the car is open for negotiations with serious buyers. Number 14. The 1963 Chevrolet Corvair, priced at $8,000. In good condition, this car features an automatic transmission, new tires and wheels, and a well-running engine with no leaks or rust. The maroon exterior paint remains shiny with intact chrome details. The interior is clean with black leather seats and an original dashboard. While the convertible top has a few patches, the car offers a classic charm. It is listed as non-operational with the DMV, providing a budget-friendly opportunity to own a 61-year-old classic that still runs well. Number 15. The 1959 American Rambler, priced at $13,000. Finished in pink with 88,000 original miles, it has a straight 6 engine with a push-button automatic transmission in excellent running condition. All gauges on the dashboard work perfectly. The interior is tidy with a well-preserved headliner and original rubber carpet. Garage kept, it has minimal to no rust. It underwent significant maintenance, including a repaint in its original pink and white combination. New Riddler wheels and tires, new brakes, a new battery, and reupholstered seats have been added. All door seals, gaskets, and components like valve covers and side vents have been repainted. The car includes Appleton spotlights, adding to its classic appeal. Thank you for today. I am very proud to have all of you who always watch the videos on this channel.